Why are we doing it? I guess, one of the main things that we want to do here is explore hemp.
Hemp and cannabis, it's this mystery.
Big one in front of your face.
No one knows. You got two sides. You've got this side where people are calling it criminal. It's making people being locked up in jails, and then you got this side where it's considered an environmental super plant.
I guess that's why we originally got into it. Jono was like, "Oh, let's make a pair of hemp boardies." I was like, "Oh, you can't make hemp boardies." Personally, anyway, I always had this idea that hemp was this really coarse fibre that couldn't really make anything out of. So we kind of explored it and made this really cool pair of boardies, and then that's kind of what kicked it off.
We went down this toxic road, and now we got to fucking repair it, and we believe that hemp can be part of that repairing process. It can help rejuvenate the soil, it can help clean the air, and it can help influence people to realise and to bring that connection back to nature. We want to be part of the land, we want to be part of the solution, not the problem. We just want to have our part. We don't believe that we can kind of be that saviour, but we can kind of help do good stuff, so we're stoked about that.
Fucking hell, don't get sick.
Nah, it's mellow.
The first thing we do is talk about sustainability. The basics are natural ventilation, solar access into buildings, how the building sits on the site to make sure we get beautiful airflow. We don't usually have to air condition buildings if they're positioned well, all of that stuff. Looking at how it can really reduce the carbon footprint. Yeah, in terms of materiality, hemp is absolutely amazing. We've been using hemp in some of our buildings, which we really enjoy. We'd love to see manufacturers and big companies actually making panel products out of hemp. If we can move it into more of an industrialised way, where you can ship panels everywhere, it'd be an incredible thing. I'm Harley, working as an architect with the Offends boys on this project.
Does that look,
It looks good. Yes, looks good. Very good one. Yeah.
So we'll grow some coffee coming up. The coffee will sit behind the shed, which is cool. And then we're going to chat to some local farmers that are growing like organic veggies and set up their own little kind of garden. They can grow whatever they want. So and then they can sell at local farmers market, and then it'll just create a nice little kind of vibe and atmosphere.
a project getting bigger and bigger through exposure and showing that we can kind of do it, other people might get psyched and continue this whole revolution of hemp.